How do I get my fiance a green card after she enters on a K-1 fiance visa? Well, if you're an immediate relative of a U.S. citizen, you can become a lawful permanent resident or get a green card based on your family relationship if you meet certain eligibility requirements. Once your fiance enters the United States, you have 90 days to marry, and you need to make sure that you do get married before that 90 days expires on your arrival and departure record. The I-94 will have that listed. You'll also have it stamped and listed in your passport. So make sure you check that date and make sure you get married before that. And don't wait till the 11th hour. We've seen too many customers, for whatever reason, wait to the 90th day, and they thought they were under the timeline or time frame, and they found that they were actually one day over. So you don't want to do that. Then if you go over, then you have to file the I-130, and that's a whole different case and everything else. But in order to get the green card, you're going to file the form I-485. You're also going to file the I-864 with your financial documents. You'll have a medical exam. And right now, the processing time has increased a bit over last year. You're looking at probably about 8 to 10 months to get the actual green card. In that time frame, there's a couple of things that are going to happen. You're going to have to attend an interview, both the foreign fiance and the U.S. citizen. And once you have to attend the interview, approximately 2 to 3 months after that, you should receive what is called the combo card. That's the work permit. That's called the EAD, Employment Authorization Document. You'll also receive the travel permit. That's called the Advanced Parole Card. So this card is a combo card, and it's about the size of a driver's license. You should get that approximately 2 to 3 months after the interview. And then hopefully, if everything goes well and you're approved, approximately about 5 to 6 months after you receive your combo card, you'll get the green card. Now, a lot of people ask, can I travel and can I work? While we're waiting for this green card to get approved, and the answer is yes, you can. I caution everyone though on traveling. We've actually seen some cases where they were basically told they abandoned the process. They were out of the country, they missed the interview. So basically, you can travel, but I don't really recommend it. It's best just to sit tight. Wait to receive the green card before you do. But you can certainly work. Once you have that combo card, the EAD, Employment Authorization Document or work permit, you can legally work in the country. You can also get a Social Security number, Social Security card along with that, and you should be fine. Again, though, the process is taking a bit longer. One thing I will add to that, which we had a public announcement earlier, on November 1st, the signed I-693 medical exam is only going to be valid for what? I mean, basically they have to submit it within 60 days of applying. Now, that shouldn't really apply to the fiance visa, but we're not 100% sure on that. We're waiting to see if that's going to affect that, because your I-693 on a fiance visa will be submitted to the USCIS and Department of State. And then the alien beneficiary should receive a DS-3025, and it's going to have your shot records on there and basically a form that you'll submit with your application in the United States.
If you found this video useful, it would mean a lot to us if you could hit the like button and comment below to let us know what you think. You can also ask your own immigration questions in the comments below. If you want to make sure not to miss any of our future videos, we invite you to subscribe here on YouTube and be sure to click the notification icon so you can be alerted whenever we publish a new video. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, where you can watch our regular immigration Q&A live streams.